In this week's video, I get really dirty fingers. I clean some teeth of a car. I wear a stupid hat. And I make some tyres really shiny. And welcome back to the Paul Holden Details channel, and we welcome my youngest son's new car. This is a BMW E46, a 1999 car. It's covered 64,000 miles from new. And when it was purchased back in 1999, this was 27 grand, and 5 grand of that was extras. So this is a full leather example with the electric pack. And it's super clean. But is it though? Let's find out. So this is a D badge model as well. Remember, I'm charging extra for that. So we have the IK Foamer 2. We have our brush holders. Link underneath the video where you can get those from. We have a wash bucket, a couple of wash mitts, and a rinse bucket. The big boy out, and a Laser Industry pump sprayer. So not everybody does this. Not everybody rinses down arches. They don't rinse the tyres, or they don't rinse the wheel. Watch the wheel as soon as the water hits it. Watch the gunk come off. So when it comes to things like this, just use a common sense approach. You might just want to go in with your chemicals. It's entirely up to you. So that is all-purpose cleaner. Around about 6:1 ratio. Hit it twice or hit it 3 times. Just make sure that foam is white or whitish. Breakthrough shampoo now. Around about 20 ml, could do up in that ratio, Paul, a little bit watery. That's the high definition breakthrough shampoo. I'm just going to agitate the wheel. So, you might be thinking, why don't you use your easy brushes? Well, the simple fact is, you can't really get into the barrel because of the design of the wheel. To get to those barrels and clean them properly, you're going to have to take them off. So they haven't been refurbed and been curbed because we've got those massive tyres. Thanks to those huge tyres, has saved the wheels, but there is some corrosion around the lug nut areas. That's to be expected from 1999. So once you've rinsed that off, we are going to tackle the rears. Now this is what I mean about using common sense, but it might be something you don't know. Check out the rear arches. Watch this. This is caked in dirt. Probably years of it. Now these cars do suffer with bubbling, rust bubbles, and there is some few rust bubbles coming through, and the reason is because the dirt's just been allowed to sit in there and it is now trying to permeate the metal and come through. So get rid of it. Just be careful, wear gloves when you're doing this because it can be a little bit sharp. So more modern cars, they have a plastic inner arch, or they have the carpet liners. This just has a rebaited wheel arch and all the gunk collects in there and you have to get rid of it. So I'm just using the handle of the brush. That'll look like Shawshank Redemption's hammer when it comes out, all worn down. And then you can get in with your pressure washer and rinse them out. Using a wide 40-degree nozzle, that's the white one. Just to get in there, look, you can see it all coming out. Ugh. And of course, repeat the process on the other wheel arch. far as protection is concerned, an easy application of Detailed Online's Nano Coat. Just spritz it on and blast it off, and we have some protection. So being as it is the first wash, normally when you go to a car, this area is never touched, and classic example, this has been gunked up for years, nobody's touched this at all. People just tend to ignore this bit. I don't know why, because it's where your hands go. If obviously you're going to fill up regular, and you touch that, so why not clean it? You're going to get back in your car. Most people don't wear gloves, they get back in the car, and they put horrible scungy fuel all over their steering wheel. Thank God this isn't a diesel. Garage Therapy Zero DECON shampoo. Now you can use this in snow foam lance, you can use it in your bucket. All the directions are on the bottle, but a link as ever underneath. Don't expect a thick foam. It's not a snow foam. They've got a snow foam for being a snow foam. Check out the snow foam. So I'm just going to allow this to dwell for around about 5 to 10 minutes. So although the summer's out, it wasn't exactly warm. Just let this do its thing. Oh, where did you get that hat? Oh, where did you get that hat? I've got to protect the bonds. I've got to protect the bonds. Been told off. Slick Mick from Bouncer's Wax. This is an old favourite of mine. Premium shampoo. Jay makes some excellent products. Once again, I'll put a link underneath. So as well as providing a fair amount of suds, it has the lubricity, which is what we're after. One thing I did notice when I was cleaning the bonnet, you can't see it, but there is some brown splodges. I think someone's coopering old offence by it. And it's teeth cleaning time now, yes. One area of BMWs which is a pain in the backside. Yes, rather a windy day when I did this car. Drying time now, Auto Bright drying towel. Two quick detailer, or quick detailer 2 from Garage Therapy. In my view, this detailer is probably the best detailer out there for ease of use and for instant results. Now, this is designed only to last around 4 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks. And you're probably thinking, why? Why don't you put something stronger on there? Why don't you put a wax on there? A ceramic wax, a sealant? I don't want something to last that long. I just want to get some gloss on the paint and get some protection on it. And it is one of the easiest products to use. Not only does it smell divine, it's super easy to use. You can use this as a regular top-up. If you want to go for something with more longevity, check out Sigma, and they've just released version 2, and I have been sent that and I will be using it fairly soon. What's great about doing this is you can instantly see, just from a basic quick detailer, we're starting to get some gloss. The first thing my wife said when she came out, she went, "That looks brilliant, what have you done?" Basics, really simple basics. It's just a basic maintenance wash. It's just what you're using and how you use it. So we've got glass cleaner now from Dodo Juice. This can make a big difference cleaning your glass. Don't neglect your glass. If you live in a hard water area as well and you get water spots, yuck. And don't forget the rears. No electrics in the back. Shame on you. All those extras. Tax systems now. New to the channel, tax systems. Got a number of their products sent down by Imran from Into Detailing. This is their tyre dressing, and of course the Carscope tyre dressing brush. Got some more stuff from Carscope coming on the channel. Just been recently sent some stuff down. If you're wondering why there's a lack of videos like these, because I've been put on day shifts. Unheard of. I moaned about doing nights all the time. Now they put me on a week of days. I don't know where I am. I don't know my arse from my elbow. Now you need to leave this for around about 10-15 minutes. It is glossy. If you're not a fan of these, then look away and find something else. I happen to like them. I think they look fairly traditional on a car like this with the large tyres, and it provides a nice contrast, and it is very easy to apply. A little goes a very long way, and of course you're going to have to roll the car backwards or forwards to do the bit underneath. And these are the final shots, and that is it this week. A very quick video introducing the E46. Let me know what you think about the car. Love to know what you think of these. Put your comments in underneath the video, as always. Love to interact with you guys. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you again. Ta-da!